Have you ever wondered how doctors know what disease a person has? How can they look at blood, tissues, or cells and identify the exact problem in the body? The answer lies in a fascinating science called pathology. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are a medical, pharmacy, or nursing student, this new series will help you understand pathology in the simplest way possible. In today's video, we will start with the most important question: what exactly is pathology? Pathology is the branch of medical science that studies diseases. It focuses on four major things: cause of disease, how the disease develops, structural changes in the body, functional changes that produce symptoms. In simple words, pathology answers the question, what went wrong inside the body? Let's understand this with an example. Imagine someone has diabetes. Pathology studies why diabetes occurs, what happens to insulin in the body, how high glucose damages organs, why symptoms like excessive thirst appear. So pathology explains the complete story of the disease. There are different branches of pathology. Some important ones include general pathology. This studies the basic mechanisms of disease such as inflammation, cell injury, and healing. Systemic pathology. This studies diseases affecting specific organs like heart, lungs, liver, and kidneys. Clinical pathology. This involves laboratory testing of blood, urine, and body fluids. Anatomical pathology. This focuses on examining tissues and organs under the microscope. Why pathology is important. Pathology plays a crucial role in medicine because it helps doctors diagnose diseases, understand how diseases progress, choose the correct treatment, predict the outcome of diseases. Without pathology, modern medicine would not exist. So pathology is not just about microscopes and laboratory tests. It is the science that reveals how diseases begin, develop, and affect the human body. In the next video of this series, we will discuss what causes diseases. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson in our Pathology Made Simple series.